Look at this super cool computer beautifier. Make your computer stand out by animating things. This not just works offline, but its online mode works whenever you search and browse things online. This comes with a beautiful animated search engine. This search engine is made to make your searches smoother and attractive, unlike other traditional search engines. When it comes to browsing mode, it makes browsing ultra smoother. This adds Spring Sense animations to make it even more classy. You get a customizable interface with this. This is Wallwave Beautifier. Get your hands on. Try it yourself. It is fun when you use it.
It is going to be a 3-step process to fix specified module could not be found problem in Windows 10. Click on search, then type CMD from the search result. Right click on command prompt, then select run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Then type these commands: attrib-h-r-s g:***/s/d and press enter. After that, close the command prompt. Then again click on search bar and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Now type this command sfc/scan now and hit enter. It will take some time. After that, close the command prompt. Click on search window and type regedit. Open the registry editor. Now expand HKey current user. Then expand software folder. Now search for Microsoft folder and expand it. Then search Windows. Click here to expand. Then click here to expand current version. And finally, expand run folder and delete the folder. Now expand HKey local machine. Then expand software folder. Then search for Microsoft folder and expand it. Then search the Windows folder and expand it. Again search for current version. Expand this folder. Now search for run folder. Right click on it and click on delete. Then again go to registry editor and expand HKey current user. Then expand software folder. Then search for Microsoft folder and expand it. Expand Windows folder. Now search for current version and expand it. Now search run once folder. Right click on it and delete it. In the last step, expand HKey local machine. Then expand software folder. Then expand Microsoft folder. Now search for Windows folder and expand it. Again search current version folder and click here to expand it. Now search for run once folder. Right click on it and click on delete. That's it guys. Restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.